Okay guys, ready for a big adventure today? We're taking the old Jeep here, so come on. Let's go. Why ain't you come? Well, I can't go without you. If you guys look hard enough up there, there's a hole right about here. So when the waterfall comes down the very top, it comes to a pool. There's got to be a big pool up there. I don't know how to climb up this, but boy, I wish I could. It'd be awesome to get up there into that pool, see how big around it is, how deep it is. And over here to this side, to the left, there's another little waterfall, but this one's kind of a big one coming down here. Pretty awesome. It's pretty high up. So my grandson says, here's my ugly face. I just want to say howdy to everybody. And we got the Nehalem River back here today. This dude here is just brimming. After all the snow and rain and everything's been going on the last 2 weeks, we thought I'd just get out here in the old Jeep, plug down some of these back roads, and get out towards, we're heading towards the coast. We're probably, I'd say halfway there. We're 25 miles to the coast, and it's another 25 to get that way. And I don't know if this road that we're on is going to permit us to actually get through because of the trees. It seems like about every 50 feet there's a group of 1 to 10 trees down across the road. They've been out here cutting them. I just don't know if this road is clear or not. So we're bombing down this road today. We're going to see how far we can get, and maybe in 4-wheel drive. But I'll keep you in tune. We're just going to drag you along today, and hope you guys have some fun. But in the meantime, damn, it's a pretty waterfall. Okay guys, here I am again, checking that waterfall out there behind me. Can you see it up there? That puppy just comes right out of the old mountainside. That's a big one. That's an epic waterfall for us. We step out of the picture there. I got the wife down there. She's exploring. Hey, you never know in this country. Nehalem River, they have gold here. Could be a puddle or a pile of gold nuggets right down here at the bottom. So I'm going to stop this right now and get down there and start looking, because if they're there, I'm going to get them. Okay guys, I'm on top of this old gross tree stump, and I'm going to just aim the camera down in the hole, and it's got to be a good 10 feet deep. It is hollowed out by rain, snow, and of course all the bad elements that happen around here. Kind of wicked cool, huh? So here I am again, right back at you. And you know, I was just kidding about Jacob earlier, saying what he did about putting my ugly face in front of the camera. He just says, yeah, Pop, you always got to put your face there right in the camera and tell a story. I said, that's because that's what I do. I tell a story. And you know what? Back at that last waterfall down the road, we ran into a nice couple, had chit chat for a bit. I did look for some gold. I did find some rocks, but there was actually no gold in there. But I think this summer I'm going to come back up here and I'm going to look a little harder, a little better. I do have gold pans, by the way. So if there is any, well, I probably wouldn't tell you, just saying. But anyway, we didn't find anything today. So we're going to go on down the road again. We're heading to the coast. And this gentleman I just talked to and his wife said that the road was clear. So we're moving on, people. Here we go. Okay guys, we're back, and if you look behind me, back over here, if the sun wasn't in your eyes like it is mine, we found the ocean. Our road did take us out, and we got ocean. It's all over out there. Is my lens just that blurry, really?